To auto use feature wallpaper for home screen when sleep mode is on in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down to top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode screen, tap sleep, scroll down the screen. Under wallpaper section, tap home screen thumbnail, tap feature to see all wallpaper available under this section. Next, select the feature wallpaper you'd like to use. Here you can see a preview of this wallpaper. If you are okay with the result, tap done button. By doing this, now the selected feature wallpaper will automatically be used as your home screen wallpaper when the sleep mode is active. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.